Opening an Absa Bank savings account is a great way to manage your finances and reach your financial goals. To get the most out of your account, here are some valuable tips to consider. First, understand the different types of savings accounts available at Absa Bank, such as the Absa Savings Account, Absa Fixed Deposit Account, and Absa Notice Deposit Account. Each account has its unique features, benefits, and requirements, so choose the one that suits your needs. Next, learn about the interest rates and fees associated with your account. Absa Bank offers competitive interest rates, but there may be fees for certain transactions, maintenance, or early withdrawal. Make sure you understand these costs to avoid any surprises. To maximize your savings, set a budget and stick to it. Allocate a fixed amount to your savings account regularly, and consider setting up a direct debit from your checking account. This way, you ensure that you save a portion of your income consistently. Another tip is to take advantage of Absa Bank's digital banking services. With online banking and mobile banking apps, you can easily monitor your account balance, transfer funds, and pay bills from the comfort of your own home. It is also essential to keep your account information and login credentials secure. Use strong passwords, keep your computer and mobile device secure, and be cautious of phishing scams. Additionally, consider setting savings goals, such as saving for a specific purpose, like a down payment on a house or a vacation. Having a clear goal in mind can help you stay motivated to save. Finally, review your account regularly to ensure it is still meeting your needs. As your financial situation changes, you may need to adjust your savings strategy or consider other account options. By following these tips, you can make the most of your Absa Bank savings account and achieve your financial objectives. Remember to always read the terms and conditions of your account, and seek advice from Absa Bank's customer support if you have any questions or concerns.